inside his big
bag.
Sam had a mouth. Sam put the mouth inside big. Sam had a
Little tub. He put the tub
on the
his
big.
back. Now his bag was fat. Sam do not laugh. Sam sit there.
Sam ran.
giỏi quá. We
had
his bag. He ran to the van.
van.
giỏi quá.